Antonio, don't sign up for that credit card. Yeah, they're giving you a free t-shirt, but at a 20% interest rate? No. Student loans have to be paid back. You can't spend that money on beer. What are you thinking? Do not get a credit card cash advance. Take that money and put it in the stock market. This is not going to end well. Gentlemen, 21 money secrets I wish I knew 21 years ago. Gentlemen, I've made some stupid decisions with money. Those examples at the beginning of this video, all true. I have learned a lot over the last 21 years. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys some hard-earned advice. You ready? Let's get into it. Money secret number one, invest in yourself. That is truly, I think, the best investment you can make. Money secret number two, though, is don't overinvest. And what I mean, you want to look at the ROI. Don't be afraid of online trading. Make sure that you weigh the benefits because you don't want to go into stupid student loan debt like I did. How many of you guys have heard this? Money doesn't grow on trees. The poor are getting poorer, the rich are getting richer. Money is the root of all evil. Guys, money is not the root of all evil. Money is simply a tool. It's like a double-edged sword. You can do some stupid things with money. It can warp people, but it can also do amazing good if you build up wealth and you point it and you use it in a responsible manner. Tip number four, you don't know what you don't know. So understand that this is a journey. You have got to go out there and read the books. You've got to go talk to the right people when it comes to your financial education. But you've got to do the work. You've got to expand your mind. Secret number five, if you want to learn about money, learn from people who have made money. Don't listen to people who have never made money. Tip number six, find a mentor. Find someone who's already walked this path and is willing to show you. If you're going to go climb Mount Everest, yeah, you could do it without a Sherpa, but you're most likely going to wind up dead on the mountain. You may eventually reach the top of where you're going, but if you would have sought out mentorship, and you're going to have to pay for it, and they want to make sure that you are ready for the information they're going to give you. If you're looking for a mentor on money, guys, down in the description of this video, I'm working with Dan Locke. Me and him have put together an amazing webinar talking about high-ticket sales. This is not for everybody, but if you've ever wanted to make more money, go check it out. It's down in the description. It is well worth it. Tip number seven, figure out where you want to go before you go running off in that direction. So you don't want to start going through medical school, all this stuff, just to realize that you don't want to be a doctor. Your parents wanted you to be a doctor. Make sure you're going your own path. Next up, gents, this is going to sound like a cliche. Do what you love. But what's not going to sound like a cliche is what we love is what we're good at. If you want to find something that you'll get paid for and you're going to love, you've got to put in the work and effort. Money tip number nine, it's easier to earn more than it is to save more. If you're making $25,000 a year, or how are you going to be able to save $20,000 a year? It's very, very difficult to do that if you're having to save 80% of your income. But let's say you start to make $50,000 a year. Saving that same $20,000, which is now only 40% of your income, is a lot easier. Now, this next tip is something you've got to understand. No one is better than you. So many people, for some reason, don't believe that I am worthy, that I can do it. You have what it takes to succeed. So these next two tips, I'm going to bring them together. Wealth is relative to what you want. Understand that if you want a whole lot, if you have super crazy expectations, it's hard for people around you to live up to that. But if you realize the best things in life are incredibly simple, just going on a walk and enjoying nature. The best things in life are truly free. Make sure keep your expectations in check. And if you could live a simple life, you are rarely going to be disappointed. Now, this next one up here, this is the prison that's holding you back. I know it sounds fluffy, but understand if you believe or you don't believe you can do something, you're probably right. Money tip number 14, change your viewpoint, understand other people's point of view. So guys, let me change your viewpoint. So do you notice how my studio looked different? Well, because the camera position was changed. Understand that some people are going to look at money very differently than you. It doesn't mean they're wrong. It just means they're coming at it from a different point of view. Money secret number 15, it's lonely at the top. You know what I found about very successful people is they desire to be surrounded by their peers. They want people that they can talk to about problems that they understand. Whatever it may be, reach out to those other people around you. The people you may view as your competitors, they're actually going to become your best friends. Money secrets 16 and 17, I'm going to bring them together. 16 is, yes, it's who you know, not what you know. And that's a good thing. And another thing to think about is you become the average of the people you surround yourself with. I want to be able to trust you. I want to depend on you. I want to make sure that you're not going to do something that's going to sink my company. Understand, me knowing you and having that relationship is incredibly key. If you surround yourself with people that are trying to tear you down, are telling you your idea is stupid, you're going to have to look at some toxic friendships, some toxic relationships and say, you know what? I need to quarantine this. And I need to surround myself with people who are going to help take me to the next level. Tip number 18, multiple sources of income. Guys, this is stability. Getting income from 5 different sources, not being dependent on one source. A lot of people say, hey, oh, that's crazy. You're going to go start a business. Why would you take that risk? And this person has a job that they're getting income from one source. They assume that things are going to go on and be good forever. That's not the case. They are in a riskier spot than an entrepreneur or someone that is maybe has a job, but says, you know what, I'm going to go buy some properties. I'm going to create and build up some assets. And then all of a sudden you've got, a little bit of passive income. That to me is the path you want to go. Secret number 19, time is so much more valuable than money. Many of you guys reach out and say, Antonio, I'm just getting started. What do I have? You've got time. Maybe you're 65 years old. You know what? You've got another 30 years if you take care of your body to start a business. Guys, it is never too late, and use time to your advantage. Hey, Christian, can you hear me? Not too much, man. Hey, can I call you back at that 908 number in less than 5 minutes?
That's fine, man, but no worries.
Cool. Yeah, let me do that. I'm filming, so I was like, oh, I got like one more point on the video. I'm going to wrap it up.
Dude, take your time.
No, I only have one more point, so it'll be quick. Cool. All right, I'll call you back. Bye. So, did you see that? I'm building relationships. Relationships are key, guys. It never stops, even in the middle of my videos. So this next tip is one of my favorites. Put yourself in a position to get lucky. Give yourself the financial freedom. Build up that emergency fund. Go ahead and create some savings and then make a decision, which many people view as very risky. And you're like, no, I've done my research and I am going to make a huge return. Now, this next one, very powerful. I've talked about it before. Do not have the scarcity mindset. A lot of people believe in the world, the amount of wealth is finite. Understand that's not the case. You can create wealth. You can bring value. And when you understand that, you realize you can do whatever you want. You have the freedom to live the life you want to live. All right, gents, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you down in the comments. What do you think of this video? I felt that there were some really powerful insights here. And I know for me, it's been an amazing journey the last 21 years, transforming the way I look at money, coming from a background of scarcity. This feeling of abundance is a great thing. And I want you guys to have that as well. And if you want to check out that training I'm talking about, I'm linking to it down in the description. Me and Dan Locke, we put on this training. It is solid. This is the training you've been waiting for. So guys, again, I'm linking to it down in the description of this video. That's it, guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.